Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will start by confirming legal limits and ensuring the turbo is healthy. Do not attempt noise-driven mods if regulations forbid them. Once done, check boost behavior with a gauge and scan for faults with an OBD reader so you know baseline performance. Make sure oil feed and drain are in good order and inspect compressor and turbine for axial play. This protects the unit. These first steps set a safe foundation and help you decide whether to pursue manufacturer-approved options or maintenance instead. You need to understand that the audible flutter comes from compressor surge and rapid pressure changes. Knowing why prevents blind modification. Instead of increasing noise, consider manufacturer-backed recirculation valves, correct blow-off valves, or ECU tuning from a reputable shop to alter throttle response within regulatory bounds. Once done, choose certified parts designed for your engine to preserve reliability. If your goal is sound rather than performance, accept that intentional loudening can damage the turbo and may breach law. Prioritize reversible, documented changes. To finish, perform controlled tests on private property or a dyno, using data logging to monitor boost, AFR, and oil pressure. Do not drive loudly on public roads. If unexpected surge, rattling, or loss of boost appears, stop immediately and inspect for leaks, collapsed charge piping, or wastegate and actuator faults. These are common causes of unsafe noise. If problems continue, bring the vehicle to a certified diesel shop for diagnosis. This approach keeps you legal, safe, and preserves engine longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.